Hey, Dad.
Hi, Evan.
Look at my collectibles item.
That's very nice. Who got that for you?
What's your friend's name again?
Andrew.
Andrew got it for me. It's a collectibles item from Star Wars.
Yeah, what's his name?
Luke Skywalker.
Yeah, cool.
This thing rocks. Thanks, Andrew.
Hey, how long did it take you to put together?
1 minute.
Just gonna take a long time.
You said it would take 1 hour. You were wrong! 1 minute.
No.
Yeah, 1 minute. I started before school, and then after school I started doing, really working on it. Cause like in the morning I just took out one piece and then I made this. Thanks, Andrew. Look at my collectibles item.
The cat got excited about that. Okay, put that back. All right.
Now we got a spider wolf.
Minute. Okay.
It took me like 1 minute or something.
I'm your principal here today, and I
I thought you were supposed to be quiet.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetie.
I gotta look at my bunny.
That's a nice bunny.
What's your other
What's the next
son's
one?
name
I'll put this one
again?
up
What's
on
your
the
other son's name again?
Andrew.
No, it's the Aunt Debbie one.
Oh.
What's your other fun name again?
Aunt Debbie.
Oh,
She's not his friend. It's
Aunt
our aunt.
Aunt Debbie gave me this bunny.
Wow. Do you have something to say to Aunt Debbie?
Thank you, Aunt Debbie.
All right. Cool.
I love this bunny and it rocks. I'm always gonna not be quiet with him. So please be quiet, Evan. I'm trying to poke here with Dad and I got my bunny with me. So please be quiet. Go away. Chuck. Bye-bye. Do be quiet.
A Star Wars collectibles.
And it's awesome.
Yes, it is.
Kendall, I'm trying to say thank you to Andrew.
Okay, so
Hey,
who
stop saying that. You're a little Chucky around there when you say that.
Chucky?
Okay, so who gave you that, Evan?
Andrew?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's so awesome. Wait.
Yeah, but I'm trying to say thank you. Can you please be quiet?
Well, I would still talk if you still say I'm an idiot, but okay, I'll be quiet.
Nice. All right, so how long did it take you to put together,
It's
Evan?
awesome.
And it's awesome, right? How long did it take you to put together?
A couple minutes.
Really?
1 minute.
And you like taking a couple minutes, right?
Okay.
It's awesome, right? And it's awesome in the middle, and I'm not gonna be quiet.
Okay.
Don't laugh, cause it's not funny.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Okay, hurry, Evan.
No.